This question of legacy keeps coming up. It's not something that I think about, quite frankly, because legacy is when you die, right? I'm not about to die.
Okay.
At least that's not my plan. I'll just say what are the directions I want to go towards
Yeah.
in the time remaining. First of all, the social programs are important. People have to have a good healthcare system. People have to have food to eat.
Yeah.
People have to have shelter as much as possible. People have to have, they must be able to survive. Ganun lang. Just start there. Once you've achieved that, for me, the next thing you should do is education. So I'm putting a great deal of my attention and the government's focus on education. That is the most important thing that you can do. You cannot have a successful society without an well-educated society. Remember when we were the best English speakers?
Yeah.
We in Asia, we have the highest literacy rate in Asia. Let's get back there. We need to get back there.
And even from science point of view, di ba, IRI, the International Rice Research Institute, di ba?
And again,
Everyone would come here to.
and again, there are so many good people here. They just don't have the means. They don't have the support. They don't have the funding.
Yeah.
That's what we need to do. We have to make sure that the generations to come are well educated. They're well able to compete amongst themselves in the Philippines and internationally because kaya naman ng Pilipino yan eh.
Yeah.
Look how well we do when we go abroad.
Yeah.
When we're well trained. Look how well how wonderful the reviews that come back to us. Kayang-kaya ng Pilipino yan, but they have to be trained. There has to be a system that brings them up to the standards so they can be internationally competitive in whatever they do. If they enter a business or they compete in the labor market. No, yan ang gusto mong gawin. Halika, dito ka. Tuturuan ka namin. That's what we need to do. We have to have that system there.